Okay, magandang buhay. Welcome sa ating Planet IX update. This is your captain, Captain Sadiq. Yan po yung aking AKA, this is Coach Early. Pioneering po sa Planet IX. Simula po nung start ang Planet IX, simula na po akong maglaro. At sa kabutihang palad ay meron na po tayong passive income. Okay. And this time, magkakaroon po tayo ng update sa bagong release ng Discord channel. Okay. Let me share my screen. Ito po yung tungkol sa ating incoming territory raffle. So ayan, kung kayo po ay wala pang Discord channel, pwede po kayong pumunta dun sa Planet IX dashboard. Hanapin niyo lang po yung Discord channel. Yan, pwede po kayong gumawa ng account. Okay. So ito po yung super announcement ng ating Lucky Cut, no? Sabi dito, Lucky Cut introducing territory lottery. Unless you're winning spirit, no? Feeling lucky, dive into the territory lottery. So babasahin ko po natin at susubukan ko pong ipaliwanag base sa pagkakaintindi ko. Kung meron po kayong gustong idagdag na hindi ko na ipaliwanag, ayan, pwede niyo pong sabihin mamaya sa pagtatapos po ng ating explanation, ano. So, sabi dito, dive into our exciting new feature, the territory lottery, and stand a chance to clinch prize pools based on your holdings and tickets. Okay? So magbabase yan kung ano po yung hawak natin at sa ating mga ticket. How it unfolds. Okay. So weekly wonder, every week a territory's location becomes the spotlight for our grand prize drawings. Okay? Diverse prize pool. Ayan. Yung common prize is specific to geolocation. Okay, if a player's territory matches the geolocation, they are eligible for the first prize pool. Okay, so kung meron po kayong territory, halimbawa yung outlier or any territory, tapos nag-match po siya doon sa geolocation. Ang geolocation po yung tinatawag nating altitude tsaka longitude, no? So doon sa mga hindi pa po naiintindihan, yan po yung nakikita niyo mga numbers pagdating doon sa dashboard, no, ng inyong Planet IX. So ang rare prize, if a player's territory matches geo and tier, okay, are eligible for the first and second prize. So sa pagkakaintindi ko po, yung territory nyo nasa exact location, tapos nagmatch pa doon sa tier. Ano po yung tiers? Kagaya nung outlier, common, uncommon, rare, and legendary. So pag nagmatch po yung nirapol or yung binola o yung nanalong tiers doon sa inyong territory, meron kayong dalawang prize, which is yung first and second prize pool. Okay. Legendary prize. Lastly, if a player's territory matches all three categories, they will be able for all three prize pool. So kung nakuha mo lahat yung tatlong category, actually kanina ko pa hinahanap yung pangatlong category, hindi yata na-mention dito, no? Ang sinabi ko lang kasi dito yung geolocation, tapos yung tiers, tapos yung pangatlo, ayan, dito nasabi dito ay may tatlong category. So hindi malinaw po sa akin. So kung naintindihan niyo to, pwede niyo pong i-share mamaya, ano? Okay. Yung jackpot prize po natin, every week a random longitude and latitude on dry land will be drawn. Ito na nga po yung sinasabi ko, no, na yan po yung geolocation, yung longitude tsaka latitude, no? If there is a territory on this particular spot and that territory owner has purchased a lottery ticket, they win. Okay? So kailangan po natin na mag-purchase ng lottery ticket para manalo. Kasi kung wala kang hawak na ticket na panalo dun sa longitude and latitude, nandun yung winning location, nandun yung territory mo, pero wala kang ticket, possible na wala ka rin panalo. So, important note, the prize in each pool are bound to be shared with multiple winners if there is any. So, kung dun sa location na yon, maraming territory, paghahati-hatian ng mga owner ng territory yung premyo. Okay? Or if multiple winners hit on the same pool, the price within that pool are to be shared with all the winners. Ayun nga, napapala ako dun sa sinabi, no? Okay. Ngayon, if there are no winners of a pool, the price will be added to the next pool. Ayun, lumalaki siya. Halimbawa, wala pong nanalo ngayong linggong to, sa susunod ay mapapadagdag yung winning pool, no? So, ticket power, it is all about the tickets. You are winning, are determined, your winnings are determined by the number of tickets you have, not by the type of territory you own. Oh, remember, tandaan nyo ha, your winnings are determined by the number of your tickets you have, not by the type of the territory you own. So dive into the thrill and buy up to 50 tickets weekly with each ticket price of just 10 IXT. So bibili tayo ng tickets, 10 IXT, bawat isang ticket. Weekly ay pwede tayong makabili ng 50 tickets times 10, that is 500 IXT. Tama ba yung computation ko? So magbabase po yung ating panalo dito, hindi sa territory, at kundi sa ating mga tickets. So dapat marami tayong entry na ticket, no? Para more chance of winning. Okay. The A-Gold Magic, ano yung A-Gold? Yan po yung Astrogold token natin. Your payments for tickets and payouts are powered by our exclusive A-Gold token. Okay, when you said power of exclusive to A-Gold token, baka yung IXT natin isosok muna sa A-Gold, no? So abangan natin, no? So it's not just any token. A-Gold gives you a constant stream similar to renting tiles. The magic, if it's tied as tradable NFT, transfer or sell this NFT and the A-Gold stream immediately flows to the new owner. Ayun. So parang ano yan, yung Astrogold ginagamit lang natin sa pagre-rent, ano, pero dito sa territory raffle ay gagamitin din natin siya, and sabi dito yung streaming, ano, dapat meron kang tuloy-tuloy na Astrogold. Okay, nabanggit niya sa bandang huli. Okay, tokenomics and ticket sale distribution. Ito, maganda rin to. 15% will go to the Lucky Cat MetaShares staking. So anong advantage nito? So yung lahat po ng mapagbebentahan ng mga ticket ng territory raffle ay 15% mapupunta sa staking ng MetaShare. So magkakaroon tayo ng additional income doon, tataas yung dividendo ng ating MetaShare from Lucky Cat. 1% will go to AstroCap MetaShare staking. 14% will go to territory staking. 10% will go to sustainability, yan sa Amelia Foundation. 10% will go to Barn, okay? 12.5% will go to the common prize pool. 12.5 will go to rare prize pool. 12.5% will go to legendary prize pool, and 12.5% will go to jackpot prize pool. So hinati-hati yung total na sales ng ating mga ticket, no? In a nutshell, okay, weekly territory selection with mega prize up for grabs, okay, for diverse prize pool ensuring everyone get a chance, okay. Buy tickets to increase your winnings with up to 50 tickets weekly. Ayan, sabi nga kanina, no? Transaction are powered by unique Astrogold and NFT. Okay, and Astrogold token and NFT. Okay. So tips and tricks, okay? Diversity our territories. Owning different territories and different countries, tiers. Ayun, nandito pala yung ano. Ito na yung pangatlong category na hinahanap ko, no? Una, yung location, tapos pangalawa yung klase ng tiers at yung size, no? So ayan, tatlong category na yan. Will increase your chances of winning. So start planning ahead and start acquiring your territory in different countries. So advantage dito, no, mga ka-AOC, marami kang territory in its location, no? So kung meron ka lang ngayon dito sa halimbawa sa Yemen, meron ka sa Colombia, dapat magdagdag ka pa sa ibang country, ano? So ticket per week, adding more tickets to your weekly lottery pool will increase your share of the winnings. By winning a multiple tickets, you will have a bigger share of the pool. Ayan. So streaming tickets, by using service of tickets, you will never miss out of week of joining the lottery, and therefore always be part of the pool. Make sure to always have enough Astro Gold in your wallet or the stream will automatically end. Ito yung sinasabi ko na dapat meron tayo nakapondong Astro Gold para ano yan para nagbabayad din tayo ng renta ng ating mga tawag dito ng mga tiles, no? Kasi Astro Gold yung binabayad natin doon. So ganoon din dito, no, para maging continuous yung pagsali natin sa territory lottery, ano. Ready to embrace the challenge? Join the territory lottery and let your lucky stars shine. Okay, coming soon. Ayan. So ayan po, ito po ay coming soon pa lang. Preparation, no? Mas maganda to na ibinalita nila ng mas maaga para makapagbuo pa tayo ng ibang mga territory. So yan po yung ating update ngayon sa ating Planet IX Lucky Cat Territory Raffle. This is your captain at your service. Ciao.